Hi, everyone. This is Keith from the Writing Center. I just want to show you what our online appointments look like and how to make one. We can start by navigating to our online schedule. And that you do from the very beginning at the Pierce College website, go to Student Resources. And then over here to Writing Center on the left-hand side, click on Writing Center. That takes you to our main website. And a little bit down the page, you will see a book a consultation button that takes you to our scheduling system. Our scheduling system is from a third-party website, and it's called WC Online. So pierce.mywconline.com is the direct URL. If you haven't registered for that site first, you need to register. So you just click on the register for an account link. And that will take you to a short form that you would fill in using your student email address. We ask you a few questions, and then you make a password and complete the registration. Once you've done that, you can access our schedule. And so you'd log in, and this is what the home page looks like. There are a couple of different schedules usually to choose from, Graham Kapowson and our online schedule. You can click on this calendar link to go to any particular date that you want to schedule an appointment for. Otherwise, it defaults to this current week. There's some information there about how to make one. And there's a video, this video too. But you just navigate to the date you want to make an appointment. Any of the white squares are open, available. So I'm just going to choose my own name here. Click on it. It opens up a new window, an appointment window. And then you just fill in that information. Your name should come up at the top, and you can, if you want an hour or half an hour appointment, you make that choice. I'll make an hour appointment here. And there are two types of appointments you can choose for us right now online. One is a live appointment. So you meet online live with the tutor on this particular platform. The other is a written feedback only appointment. And then in that case, you would upload your draft to this window, and the tutor will download it, make some comments on your draft, and upload it again to this appointment window. And if you want that, you would choose that kind of appointment, written feedback. Otherwise, let's just stick right now with the live appointment so I can show you what that looks like. You simply fill in the appointment information, what class you're coming in for, say English 101 co-requisite, the instructor's name, what you want to work on. So that's just where you're at in the writing process, whether you're still brainstorming ideas, outlining. You want the tutor to take a look at the structure and the flow of what you've written. If you're interested in MLA or APA and how to do that, there's a referencing style. So just choose what you're coming in for that particular time. And then the due date of the assignment is helpful for us. And also, it really helps if you upload your appointment or your assignment draft and the assignment instructions as well, so that the tutor can take a look at that. If you're doing a written feedback on the appointment, then you have to upload your draft so that the tutor knows, can read your paper. And any additional information that you want us to know about what you're looking for specifically will really help us guide what we do during our time with you. This area at the bottom here is where you upload your paper. So you can just browse for your paper on your computer and upload it to this window. This is also where you would retrieve your paper that the tutor has re-uploaded if they're giving you written comments. And then you just go ahead and create that appointment. If the appointment was created successfully, you'll have that green window there telling you so. You can come back also if you need to edit the time or cancel the appointment, you can do that. So you can change the date, you can change the time. Once you close out of that window, you should be able to see a yellow square instead of a white one where it indicates that your appointment is now made. So at the time of the appointment, you simply come back to the appointment window, open it up, and then you'll see this red link, start or join live online consultation, if you're doing a live consultation. Click on that link, it opens up a new tab on your browser window. You can use your camera and your microphone if you allow that, if that's what you want to do. You don't have to, but if you do, it helps because the tutor will be here too, and you can see each other and talk. But you can also turn off your screen if you want, or your camera if you want to, and you can turn off your microphone as well. You also have a chat capability, so you can use that chat, and the tutor will use that chat to make comments about what you're looking at. Now, this middle part, which is called a whiteboard, is an area where you and the tutor can work on and looking at your paper. And you can upload your paper, or the tutor can, by clicking on those double arrows up to the top right corner. You click on that, browse for the paper that you want to upload. It might have been the same one that you uploaded earlier to the appointment window. And then import now. And it will overwrite anything that's in there, but there's your paper. Some of the grammar, some of the formatting has been stripped out of it. So just be conscious of that you won't see all of the formatting. But if formatting is what you're coming in for, then it's even more important to upload your paper to the appointment window so that the tutor can see the original version. So what I recommend is that if you're wanting to point out any specific passages and ask the tutor about that, then you just highlight that and click the bold option so that you can bold a piece of text, and then the tutor can see that text bolded and you can just talk about it. So that's one way of using the tools there to highlight certain passages. Now you can always come back to this window. This will remain here for the rest of the quarter. So you can always come back and revisit what you and the tutor talked about or changed or whatever on your paper during that time that you were together. This will be there. So that's always going to be there for you. When you're done, when you're finished with the consultation, all you need to do is click out of that tab up at the top of your browser. So you would just say goodbye and click the tab. Now it's taking me back to the scheduling window. If you want to schedule another appointment for another day, you can just go ahead and do that. And there's the appointment window. You just make another appointment. Okay, hopefully that is helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can always email or call us during business hours, working hours, and otherwise make an appointment with us Monday through Sunday, except for Saturday. And we hope that you have a really successful quarter. Bye, everyone.